For the 2020 55, fitting the new generation of Honda minivans. What you get in the kit is this nice collection of parts here. So these are the front spacers. This slot here is your camber adjustment. Our kit is unique in that we have the ability to adjust the alignment camber after it's installed. No other kit on the market for the Honda vehicles is doing that. Because of that, though, of course, we have to give you all these nice 10mm nuts to go with it, all over the place here. We also include in this kit the rear 2-inch spacer with matching shock relocation here. The shock relocation brackets go here, and it drops the shock mount point down 2 inches to match the spacer. Also included in the kit is new shorter sway bar links. On McPherson strut vehicles, we need to make the McPherson strut, or we need to make the sway bar link shorter instead of longer like you might on a Ford or a Jeep if you lifted it. It seems counterintuitive to many, but we include the shorter sway bar links with it. You can align it easily because of our camber plate. Toe is of course still adjustable. And it's been quite a popular kit for us. For people that want to put a larger tire on it, I recommend something like a 265/60/18, about a 30.5 tire as a maximum. The van comes with a 29-inch tire stock, so you can get about another inch and a half at the most. Most of your rubbing will be on the front air dam. It's hard to get around that without trimming. This is the 2-inch kit. If you want something larger, we do have a 3-inch kit, which requires subframe drops front and rear, and a bunch more parts. But this has been probably the most popular one for the new vans. Installation time is 3 to 4 hours plus an alignment. It's fairly straightforward. People do find it easier to install it on the front if you drop the subframe down and give yourself some clearance. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward.